Hello, I'm David Rogers, Business Unit Director for Static Control at Meech International. I'd like to tell you about the Meech Hydra in-mold labelling system and why it is being adopted by so many in-mold labellers. But first, some background. Historically, in-mold labelling, or IML as we know it, tended to be used only on relatively expensive mouldings to provide permanent decoration or identification on items such as reusable crates. In recent years, the costs of IML have fallen to make it a cost-effective method of labelling single-use items such as food containers. A vital part of the IML process requires the label to be held into the mould using static electricity. For some years, the industry tended to use a static pinning system that applied the static electricity using conductive foam. Whilst reasonably effective, the system does have its drawbacks. The label carriers are very expensive and require periodic replacement as, over time, the conductive foam tends to break down. This can lead to a potential source of contamination of food containers. Having spoken to IML OEMs, Meech learned that an alternative system was required that addressed the issues of durability and simplicity whilst providing excellent performance at a good price. The result is the Meech Hydra system. The Hydra is a modular system that uses miniature pinning heads to pin the label directly to the mould face. The resistively coupled pinning heads are positioned within the label carrier and provide powerful pinning, and because the label carrier can be relatively simple, the manufacturing costs are greatly reduced. And to help our customers further, the Meech Engineering Division will help you with the design of the carrier. Using sharp titanium emitter pins, the system has an almost indefinite service life with no loss of performance. Furthermore, their spark-free operation avoids the possibility of expensive damage to the mould tool. Multiple impression tools are easily handled using a compact high-voltage splitter that connects the Hydras to the HT supply. Note also the easy connection using our proprietary locking plug system, making connection and disconnection quick and reliable. Delivering the high voltage to the Hydras through the energy chain has also been given plenty of thought. The fast cycle times of modern injection moulding machinery mean that the HT supply cable has to be able to withstand millions of bending cycles. Our silicon HT cable has been specially designed for this purpose. With nearly 400 extremely fine conductors, the cable has a 30 kV rating whilst remaining extremely flexible and durable. To recap, the Hydra system provides multiple resistively coupled pinning heads, interconnected using a simple, compact modular system. All that is needed now is the high voltage supply, and once again, Meech have the ideal solution. The 994 IML generator was designed to provide all the power that IML operations require, without the excessive size and unnecessary complication of earlier systems. Operating from a 24-volt DC supply and weighing in at only 500 grams, the unit delivers up to 20,000 volts, sufficient for all standard IML applications. To allow easy integration with all styles of systems, the output voltage can be set using either the front panel control or by a 0 to 5 volt analog input via the 8-pin mini DIN connection. Simple remote control signals are then used to turn the HT on and off at the precise moment it is required. To give clear indication of status, front panel LEDs show power on, HT on, and warn of any overload. These status indicators are also replicated on the mini DIN interface to provide full remote monitoring. So, the Meech Hydra system provides a simple, scalable system that offers the user improved performance, great durability, with greatly reduced construction and maintenance costs.